In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a new signature template in Empower Mails. For users to be able to use a signature with Empower Mails, a signature template must be created and uploaded in advance. You can create the signature template conveniently in Microsoft Word. To do this, open a new Word file and create your signature template as required according to your brand guidelines.
We recommend activating formatting characters and grid lines when designing the signature template in order to create the template professionally. For further information on the topic of document creation, please also take a look at our tutorials for Empower Docs.
We have prepared a signature template for our example here. It contains placeholders for name, department, company name, address, and some contact information in a structure we like. As an example, we assume that the font size and the font itself for the department should be adjusted to size 8 and Arial. You can adjust this easily by selecting the content control and making the changes you want.
It is important to note that adjustments to the font and color must be implemented carefully. Make sure that you only use fonts and colors which are not connected to the theme. You recognize whether a font is connected to the theme or not by checking if there is some additional information written in brackets in the font title, for example headings or body. By choosing fonts and colors which aren't connected to the theme, you can assure that the signature template is brand compliant, even if there are no brand compliant company information stored in Outlook itself.
We therefore select a font that is not specified by the design and explicitly specify a specific color code for the company's font color. In this way, we ensure that the signature template always complies with our brand guidelines. If you feel comfortable with the changes made, simply save the signature template, upload it, and you're good to go. Now it's your turn. Feel free to test these functions yourself and create a wonderful new signature template. If you have any further questions in regards to Empower Mails, please check out our other tutorials.